Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be cooking quinoa in the Instant Pot. To make this recipe, all we need is quinoa, water, and salt. The ratio of quinoa to water in the Instant Pot is 1 cup of dry quinoa and 1¼ cup of water. So let's measure out 1 cup of quinoa. And put it in the Instant Pot. And now I'll have 1¼ cup of water. So here's 1 cup, goes in the Instant Pot. And here's another ¼ cup. And now let's add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now, if you rinse your quinoa before cooking, the ratio would be 1 cup of rinsed quinoa to 1 cup of water. But if quinoa is dry, it's 1 cup of quinoa to 1¼ cup of water. So let's close the Instant Pot. And turn the valve to a sealing position. And now let's set the cooking time to pressure cook for 1 minute on high pressure. Now, after the pressure has been releasing naturally for 15 minutes, we're going to quick release the remaining steam. And it just all got released. There's not even anything coming out of it. And the pin is already dropped, so let's open the Instant Pot. And the quinoa is perfectly cooked. So it's perfectly cooked and fluffy. See, perfectly cooked quinoa in the Instant Pot. The texture is amazing and it was so easy. Now let's try it. Simply perfect. So if you own an Instant Pot, you'll never want to cook quinoa any other way. This is the only method of cooking quinoa you need. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.